What's up, guys? Today we are back and we are checking out a SKAR audio amplifier today. Now everybody knows SKAR audio is really good quality and their amps put out usually what they say, if not a little bit more than rated power. And today we're going to check out the 800 watt RMS SKAR RP800.1D. So this amp comes with your typical metal bass knob. No lights on this knob, just strictly a level control knob. Sorry, I forgot to take that out of the package. And the amp's pretty compact, heavy duty as always with SKAR audio amps. So on this end we got the power protect light, the remote input. You got two inputs, right and left, and this one has a switch that's selectable in 3 positions for the bass boost. They call it bass EQ. 0 decibels, 6 decibels, and 12 decibels. Usually it's best to leave this off in most circumstances. So then we got your gain knob, low pass filter, and subsonic filter. And on this side we got big 4-gauge inputs on the power side and 2 sets of speaker outs. So looks really good. Pretty heavy duty, well built amp. So let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up to the dyno and see what she does. Okay, here we go. 4 ohm test. Up to clipping. Alright, not bad. 378 watts, 42.2 amps, 14.4 volts. Let's go ahead and move on to the 2 ohm test. Alright, here we go. 2 ohm test. 40 hertz up to clipping. Let's see what she does. Nice. 641 at 2 ohms, 74.2 amps. That's pretty good. 14.25 volts. So let's go ahead and do the 1 ohm test. Alright, here we go. 1 ohm test. Rated 800 watts, but knowing SKAR, it's going to go a little bit over. Alright, 997, 134.7 amps, 14.2 volts. Pretty good. So it definitely did overrated power, almost 200 watts. So this is basically a 1000 watt amp. So let's go ahead and do dynamic burst, because all these tests were uncertified. Let's see what it does at dynamic burst at 1 ohm. Okay. Dynamic burst on this. Now dynamic burst simulates music more, where it's short bursts of bass, just like music would do. So other tests are uncertified. So that's more of a constant power draw. So it shows like true power, and it coincides, like I said, with the other guys' amp dynos that use the AD1. So let's go ahead and see what we get on this. With dynamic burst, I think we can get a little more out of it. This is a little good. This is a good little amp. Oh, oh, that's man, awesome! Not bad. 1286 at 1 ohm, dynamic burst, 142.3 amps. Nice. 14 volts. So there you go. Very good little amp. So look at that. You think you're buying an 800 watt amp? Now uncertified, you're actually getting almost 1000 watt, and dynamic burst, you're getting an almost a 1300 watt amp. So again, great amp by SKAR. I think these are like 130 bucks. So it's really good, you know, watt for value, because basically you're getting 1300 watt RMS amp for 130 bucks. Really good quality. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also stay tuned. Some people were asking us if we were going to do any giveaways. We may go ahead and do an amp giveaway on this SKAR RP800.1D. So stay tuned for that one. Tell a friend, guys, like and subscribe, and we hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time. No amplifiers were harmed during the making of this video.